This is Mrs. Kuiper. And so today I'm going to be showing the experiment in our Summit 5 Science ED for lesson 1.3, and this is the surface tension of water on a penny. So to conduct this experiment, the first thing we need is our scientific notebook, okay? The second thing we need is some tap water. I actually just put mine in a little cup. The third thing we need is a penny, 1 penny, and a paper towel. So the first thing I would do in my scientific notebook is go to my table of contents, and you can see here I wrote 916 surface tension, and the page number was number 2. So then I go to the next page, and on the downloadable worksheet that is in lesson 1.3, if you download it, the question they ask is, how many drops of water can a penny hold? So essentially what they're asking is, what's the surface tension for water on a penny? So a hypothesis is an educated guess. So I need to make my prediction or my educated guess hypothesis. So I think the penny will hold 20 drops of water. Now I've done this experiment multiple times. The first time my hypothesis was 10, but it was wrong. So I had to go back and change my hypothesis and try the experiment again. So then I always like to draw a picture of what I'm doing in my experiment. So you can kind of see here, I've got a penny, I've got a little cup of water, and I've got my hand, and I'm explaining what my experiment is. I will drop 1 drop of water at a time to the top of the penny. And so down below, I have my results, okay? And then at the very bottom, you can see I have my observation. A dome formed on the penny when I did this, and it does it every time. So I'm going to move my camera, and you can watch me conduct this experiment. Okay, so we want to put the penny on the paper towel so that we've got it here, okay? And trying to get the right lighting here for you. Okay, that's probably going to be as good as we're going to get. And so I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to dip it in the water, and I'm going to make sure I hold it close enough so I'm only dropping 1 drop of water at a time on top of that penny. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, let's see, 20, a little bit has spilled over, not much though, and it's not spilled over on the whole side, so I'm going to keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, you can see that dome is really piling up there. 27, ooh, 28, okay, so 27 drops of water was what I was able to get on that penny before it overflowed. So in this case, the way this works is these droplets of water attach to each other, and it's called cohesion. Liquids want to attach to each other. And so eventually we continue to add liquids on there, and eventually the gravity overcomes the surface tension, and it collapses the water and separates the droplets, and it falls into the paper towel. So for 1.3, we want you to try this experiment at home. Make sure you know what your learning coaches or parents that are with you know what you're doing. Remember, you don't have to have fancy things like they say in the actual worksheet, you can just use some water, a penny, and a paper towel. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing what your result happens to be.